This video is to give a brief of tire management software solution in the FleetOnGo application. This is the page where you land after you log in. When you click on the FleetOnGo logo, you will see the dashboard. From here, you can select any existing vehicle. These are the list of existing vehicles. You can click on any existing vehicle and you will see the dashboard of that specific vehicle. All the details will be mentioned here. For tire management, we have modules from tire purchase. So first of all, you will purchase the tires from the invoices. Then these tires will add in the stock of tire. So tire stock will be added here. So these are 3 tires which are right now available. Then when you go inside any vehicle, we will show you the tire details. When you click on the tire, you will see the tires allotted. When you click on allotment of tires, we will ask you date and odometer, and here you will see the structure of your vehicle. From here you can simply drag and drop a tire. If you want to remove the tire, you can simply remove it back to the stock. Everything is automatically getting updated. If you want to do inspection, you can go here and click on inspection. Inspection of tires will be done and a report will be generated for the inspection. These are the sample of reports which are already generated for tire inspection. Even the photographs can also be taken at the time of inspection, and you will see the suggestions provided whether to remove this vehicle or any other details that we will show you. This is a then in tires you can transfer tires between several workshops, sell tires, update the net skid depth of the vehicle, tires of vehicle, send the tire for retread, receive the tire back from retread, send the tire for claim, receive the tire back from claim. In reporting section we have several reports, all tire report, and then these reports are there available. You will see the history of each and every tire. Once we click on the tire ID, you will see the detail. When was it purchased, when was it allotted to the vehicle. See, this is the fitment details, this is the NSD which was changed for the tires. You will see all the history of tire in this report. Then if you want to see the kilometer per millimeter pivot, is also there. Total tires in vehicle, how many positions have to be occupied, how many are actually occupied. Then tire allotment history, which tire was allotted to which vehicle. You will have all the details. So there are a lot of reports which are available for tire here. This is primarily a tire management module. If you are interested, we can give you a personalized demo also.